In this video, I'm going to show you how to deliver alcohol with Doordash. Now, first of all, you need to be sure that you're qualified to deliver in the first place. So the first thing you need to do is you need to be 21 years or older. There is no way around that. Doordash is not going to let you deliver alcohol if you're not 21 or older. Now, some states require completing an alcohol safety training module inside the Dasher app. And after that, alcohol orders will then begin to appear. So you also need to make sure that you have alcohol turned on as well in your preferences. So to do that, go to the top left, select on these three bars, then select over here where it says preferences. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see alcohol delivery and make sure to turn that on. So you're going to hand deliver orders to recipients after checking and scanning their ID. So in order to actually find the modules to complete in order to actually get access to Doordash alcohol, go ahead and press on these three bars, select on help. Then over here, it's going to give you the modules over here. So look at this. So we got Dashing 101 right over here. And if you do have access to alcohol, you're over 21 and you're actually eligible, then you will see a module for alcohol and you will need to complete that training in order to get access to alcohol orders. So that is how you do it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.